So my name is Thomas Pical. I'm a data scientist engineer at Equancy. Okay. So if you agree with, I will show you what was my academic track and my internship I did. Then I will introduce you my company, what we do, and what is my daily life. And finally, I will show you some advice and tips. So let's start with my academic background. I did all my university track here in the Aix-Marseille University. I started with a MIAH, Mathématiques Informatiques Appliquées aux Sciences Humaines et Sociales license degree, to go then into the Master 1 of Economics, and then do the econometric big data statistics tracks. Then on the professional side, I joined the junior data analyst, which I highly recommend you to join. It will make you a first experience. And then I did my final internship at Airbus Helicopter in Marseille as a data analyst. And then just after the crisis, I joined Equancy as a data scientist, and I have been trained and formed to be now a data engineer. I will introduce you what is a data engineer, but first, what is Equancy? We are a company based in Paris, and we help other companies in their data transformation. So for instance, we have a team made of 3 teams, the marketing, the data, and the strategy, and we mix all these teams to give advice to companies, and so they can make the best decisions for their company strategy, and then using data. So every year we have more than 250 missions, so every day is a new day, and we have a lot of variety of missions offers in our company. And so, as I said, our company is divided in 3 teams, and this is our forces. We can help a retail company with some business analysts, and we will use all the data information to give them the best advice and the best usage, because as Citraka just said before, yes, data is the new fuel and the new oil of the destiny. Every day, I'm a data engineer. What is a data engineer? Well, it's a close from data scientist. I help them, all the data scientists, to prepare the data and to automatize processes of tasks to allow them to just have this data into a data lake. So I will take the data, I will clean them, I will make some security to check which data are integrated, and finally I will structure them to align them. So here is an example. I'm working for a company who have a lot of airports all around the world, and the main goal here is every airport is unique with his own level of development into, their IT infrastructure. So sometimes I receive files made in Excel by hand. And so my work is to align all these airports with all their specificities into one data set and one table aligned to allow this table to be used into a data visualization. So for a more technical path here for the ABDS track especially, I will work mainly in Python. I will extract the data. I will transform them to check which are the data, the quality, and then I will implement this data into their data lake. Here it's a Google Cloud Platform. It's just, instead of having your own servers, it will be Google who will host you. And finally, we offer data visualization solution for the business to access to this data. So there is a lot of data visualization you might know. For instance, Plotly for the EBDS track, which I highly recommend. But there is more sophisticated software for production stuff. So for instance, Power BI or Streamlit, who is free, and Google Data Studio. I highly encourage you to go by yourself to see what these software are, because they are key. Even in finance, there will be soon a huge difference between those who are familiar with data and data visualizations and those who are not. So let's show you some example of what project that could work. So here is a data scientist project. The main here for the same airport is to reduce the queue line. So there is two reasons for that. It's a legal reason, but also to not make you miss the flight and then have some some Belgians. And we use we take their videos. We then, once we got their videos, we will use some cloud visualization API who will make some boxes and locate where people are, and we will track them during the whole process of queue lines. Once we track them, we just need to make some math and compute how much time they needed to go from the beginning to the security gate. And once this work is done, they just need to display all these results into a dashboard so they can monitor the queue line time. Here is another example of data science project, more about textual information. We got airports all around the world, so we have projects in Japanese, in French, and in English, or whatever. Every language is possible. And we need to compare the sales between the, let's say, for instance, the retail, the alcohol in France, in Japan, what are the differences? And to monitor this, we need to align this and to regroup these products, but there is not always categories. And here is the work. It's to take only the project names, and by these project names, assign a category just with the project name. So here is what I do. I will take all the names of projects, I will clean them, I will convert them in English with Google Translate, as it is. And then we will use some machine learning here for the EBDS track. It's CatChain, package Python. I highly encourage you to have a look. And we use a BERT model. And then we finally have our projects classified from all around the world, and we can make our data visualization to monitor all these informations. So to make a synthesis of what is my daily life, I have the luck to be very diversified day. Some days I will be a data engineer with data processing, and other days I will make the relationship with customer to fit their needs and to follow the evolution of the project. Sometimes we have very sophisticated issues we have to solve and offer solution. So we have some time to brainstorm about this, and this is what I like the most, to be honest. We also make some BI development sometimes to support the BI team, and you can have some team management regarding how much you want to invest yourself into the company, and some infrastructure maintenance, for instance, on Google Cloud, as you said. So, some advice for you guys. First, invest yourself into yourself. Be curious. Try to go as much as you can to after works, everything that the school offer you. Go, it's full benefit for you, even for the BDE. You have to go, you will make some network, some friends, and friends who will stay for long, and they will help you. Instead, you have also, if you can, go to the junior data analyst, and not only for the row on the CV, invest yourself. You will really distinguish yourself when there will be multiple CV on the table of recruiters. And then do and focus on what you like in your job. If you try to, if you make an offer for a job you don't like, you will not like your life and you will not enjoy your daily life, because be aware that what you are doing now, it will be basically your daily life, and this for a few years and even more. So do what you like, and as Audrey said perfectly, go for it and don't give up, and this will be the best for you and for your life. And so if you want to know more about Equancy, I will be here with Hervé Mignot, for those who know him, this afternoon. All our offers are available at equancy.com, and so feel free to come to see us this afternoon. Enjoy.